Hello students, how are you? Hope you all fit and fine. A very healthy good morning to all of you. Maintain distance, wear the mask and follow the proper rules and regulations given by your parents also and given by the government also, so that we should meet together in the school. Now here are some revision questions, my dear. Okay, some revision questions we are doing in the class today. First question is, who said to whom? In this, not to go near the naughty cat. And who told? Mother Sparrow. Mother Sparrow to whom? To her babies. Mother Sparrow had made a rule not to go near the naughty cat. Why she has told her children not to go near the naughty cat? Because the cat was dangerous for them, isn't it? So our parents are always protective for us, doing like our parents only. The Mother Sparrow was also a parent and very protective for her babies. Now I will go to the next question. It's no fun playing alone. And who told? Mr. Cat. To whom? To baby sparrows. And why Mr. Cat told it's no fun playing? It is true that it's no fun playing alone. What playing alone? What studying alone, living alone? It's no fun. We don't enjoy this time because we have to live separately. That's why we are not enjoying this time. So whenever we are together, we learn also more, we play also more, we enjoy also more. It's no fun living alone. And this is a correct dialogue told by the Mr. Cat. But here Mr. Cat's intention was not good. This is true that it's no fun playing alone. But here Cat's intention was not good. Cat was trying to cheat the baby sparrow and eat the baby sparrow. Now I will show you the next slide. What a nice animal Mr. Cat is. And who told this? The youngest baby sparrow to his two siblings, to his other two sparrows, who was telling that mother have told not to go near the naughty cat. The youngest baby sparrow told that, see, I am going. There is no harm in this. What a nice animal Mr. Cat is. Now I will show you the next slide. Our mother has advised us not to go near you. And who told? The first and the second baby sparrows. And to whom? To the cat. What they told? Our mother has advised us not to go near you. Because mother has, while going out of the home, mother has advised all her children not to go near the naughty cat because cat was very dangerous for them. Cat eats up the sparrows. That's why mother has told not to go near the naughty cat. Now there is true or false. Write true or false. The youngest baby sparrow was obedient. And what will be the answer, my dear? Answer will be false. Because according to the story, youngest baby sparrow have not obeyed the rule made by the mother sparrow. Mother has told not to go near the cat, but youngest baby sparrow told what a nice person Mr. Cat is and went to play with cat. And he was cheated there. Now I am sharing you the next slide. Mother Sparrow advised her babies not to go near the cat. And this is true. Because Mother Sparrow, while going out of the house, she told her babies, all three babies, not to go near the cat. The purpose of obedience is to guide you and to protect you. My dear, to obey means to follow the rules, isn't it? And everywhere you will see there are rules. At home, your mother makes the rule. On the road, there is traffic rules. At home, at school, there are school rules. And these rules are made for your proper guidance and for your protection. And we are supposed to obey these rules because the purpose of obedience is to guide you and to protect you. So we should always try to obey these rules, whether it is the rules made by our parents, our school management, traffic rules, or some there are national rules also. Right now it is rule to wear the mask, not to go out of the home without any work. We haven't to gather at one place. And for what these rules are made? Only for our safety. So purpose of obedience is to guide you and to protect you, and this is true. The cat ate the baby sparrow. Did the cat eat the baby sparrow? No. Why? Sparrow had gone down, but how cat didn't eat? Because mother, that time only the mother sparrow came. Mother sparrow picked and poked at the claws of the cat till cat could not bear the pain. And cat was in so pain that he left the baby sparrow. And like this, baby sparrow was saved. And just as the cat left his claws, opened his claws, the baby sparrow went on the treetop. And after that, baby sparrow felt sorry. We should obey our parents and teachers. This you all can say, this is true, my dear. And this is also true that you are not obeying your parents and teachers, because most of the parents are coming in parents teachers meeting and complaining. Why they are complaining? Because you all are not obeying. But you don't know that, beta, we haven't seen God, but we have seen our parents at home taking care of us from early morning to late night for our betterment, protecting us, guiding us, teaching us. So we should always obey our parents and teachers, because teachers also lead you to a right path. And my dear, only your obedience and love makes them feel happy. And it is you don't know that your parents are also growing old. So we should always try to make our parents and teachers happy. I am also having my parents and teachers, and I also mostly try to obey them. I am doing whatever they want. Okay, so it is very essential, my dear, for us to obey our parents and teachers. Thank you, my dear. Now what you will do, first of all you will write HW and date, and then in very good handwriting you all will do your work, so that it should be clear to read from here. And portion you all have got, revise the whole portion. Only one chapter you are having, and quotation sheet in the portion. And please learn the spellings also so that you can score good marks in your examination. Thank you, dear.